My signature lip lift technique is the easiest way to make your lips look fuller and more lifted. Here's how to do it. Slightly overline the upper lip here, but paying most attention to the Cupid's bow area. This is going to add volume to the lips, and this is also going to shorten the distance between the nose and the lip. So you can see here that the Cupid's bow is more overlined than the outer corners. You want to keep this line within the natural lip line, and the same thing that we did on top, overline the bottom area here. Drag that pencil up to the outer corner within the natural lip line. Now, I'm going to show you what you don't want to do is you don't want to overline the outer corners because that's going to bring the mouth downwards here. So you want to stick to lining it upwards here to give a more lifted effect. It's going to add a beautiful and natural looking volume and fullness to your lips. Using the brush from the Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil, I'm going to blend that liner in towards the center of the lips to create an ombre effect. This is the Ultra Suede Sculpting Lip Pencil in the shade Lauren. I'm filling in the entire lip with my favorite shade, Bronx Baby, from the new SuperSatin Lipstick collection. I'm going directly from the tube. This is one swipe coverage. I'm going to blend that using the brush. And now just using a tiny bit of translucent powder, I'm just setting the skin right around the lips here. I'm in love with this formula for its creamy, smooth glide and gorgeous color payoff. And that is how you get my signature lip lift. Thank you for watching.